Hello students, welcome back to this video of this playing with numbers. So in the last video you have seen the puzzle addition. You have seen how to solve this letter and digit puzzle addition. Okay, and you have seen the two rules given. So example number 1 I have explained you, right? So I think you have understood properly. You have seen the example number 1 by your own. Okay, so you have to see whatever I am explaining. You have to read, otherwise you will not understand. So today we'll see example number 2. So find a and b in this addition. Here you can see a plus a plus a, 3a are there. When you add 3a, again the answer is coming a, okay, in the ones place, ones digit, and here b. So you have to find the value of a and b. So you have to think, you have to apply your logic. What number you will add, what same number will add, so that answer also will be same. Okay, so there are how many cases? Let's see. So there two letters are given, a and b. Study the addition in ones column. So this is the ones column. The sum of 3 a's is a number whose ones digit is a. Okay, so after adding this number, the ones digit should also be a. Therefore the sum of 2 a's must be a number whose ones digit is 0. That means when you add a, that means the number should be 0 in ones place. Then only a plus a will come a. Then that means 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. Okay, 1 plus 1 if you do, then what will happen? 1 plus 1 will be what? Answer will be 3. So it is not matching. Here also 1 should come. If you have taken a equal to 1, then 1 plus 1, then the answer is coming 3. Here also 1 should come, because here also a is given. If you take 2, a equal to 2 if you take, then 2 plus 2 plus 2, it is what? 6. But here also a should come. That means here also 2 should come, because a is here. Whatever your number, whatever value of a will take here also a value should come. Otherwise it is wrong. So there are two cases only. If you put 0 here, 0 plus 0 plus 0, here also 0 coming. The other number will be a equal to 5. Okay, so if you take 5 here, a equal to 5, then also here also 5 coming. How? 5 plus 5 plus 5, it is what? 15. Okay, 15 coming. Here the ones digit is what? 5. So here it will be 5. Okay, here 5 is matching and 1 will be carry here. That means 1 will be what? B. So if you take 5, then it is come and the answer is coming. No other number will come like that, because here you have to see the ones digit. So ones digit also 5 coming. So you have taken a equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is 15. So when you write 15, the unit place digit is also coming 5 here, and 1 will be carry here, and carry will be what? B. So see here the explained property. If you take a equal to 0, then sum is 0 plus 0 plus 0, which takes b equal to 0. We do not want this. So as it makes a equal to b, then the 10th digit of ba2 becomes 0. So we reject this possibility. So we will take a equal to 5. So when we add a equal to 5, see here it is solved properly. 5 we have taken, so here also 5 coming. 5 plus 5 is 15. So 5 also coming here and carry 1. That means the value of b is 1. So that is why a equal to 5 and b equal to 1. So in this way you have to think logically. Okay, it will take time to understand. Okay, don't hurry to understand, try to skip this. Okay, don't do the mistake like this, because it's a new thing for you. You have to be patient for this. You have to practice it nicely. Okay, let's see the another example number 3. So find the digit of a and b. Now here you will see the multiplication. Till now you have got the addition. Now you will see the multiplication here, how the multiplication is solved. So here you have to find the value of b, a and b. Ba into b3 is 507a, 57a. That means whatever value a you take, here also same a should come. Okay, now let's do the multiplication, how it can be done. So there are two letters a and b. So since the one digit of 3 into a is a, so when you are multiplying 3 into a is what? a coming. So it must be that a equal to 0 or a equal to 5 again, because when 3 into 0 you do, then again 0 coming. That means it is matching. If you do 3 into 5, okay, 3 into 5 if you do, so it is what coming? 15 coming. That means 5 is coming. That means a is coming here. So here two case can be taken. So a equal to 0 or a equal to 5. Okay. So now look at b. What you will take for b? If you take b equal to 1, then ba into b3 will be what? At most it is equal to 19 into 19. Okay, if you take b as 1, so b is 1 here also, b is 1 here also, and a if you take 9, okay, sorry, not 9, take the highest possibility, highest number is what? 9. So here also 9 is taken. So if you multiply 19 into 19, what will happen? It is, the answer is coming 361, but the here answer is not 361. Here the answer is something else. It is 570 something. So here the product is 578. That means it is more than 361. It is more 100. It is more than 500. So we cannot take b equal to 1. So b equal to 1 is cancelled. This case is cancelled. Now if you take b equal to 3, suppose, so b equal to 3, so suppose we multiply with 0. Okay, so 30 into 30 is coming what? 900. So that is 900 is more than 570. Okay, but so it is less than 600. So we cannot take b also. It is very large. 900 is coming very large, and this 361 is coming very small. So you have to take another number. So 1 we have taken, it is cancelled. 3 we have taken, it is cancelled. Now we can take 2. If you take 2, what will happen? Putting these two facts together, we see that b equal to 2 only. So 2 will be possible because it is coming in the middle. 1 and 3, between 1 and 3, 2 is coming. That means it can be possible. So the multiplication is either 20 into 23 or 25 into 23. That means if you take b equal to 2 and this one b equal to 2 and a equal to 0, and 2 b equal to 2 and 3 is already there. So we can take 20 into 23 or 25 into 23, because here, we have already taken two cases of a. First case of a is this one, 20 into 23, and second case of a is what? 5. So 25 into 23. So we got that b will be 2 only. Now we have to check with a equal to 0 or a equal to 5, what the answer is coming. So we'll multiply these two numbers. When you are multiplying, the first possibility is fail. See, 20 into 23, when you are multiplying, the answer is coming 460. So it is fail. Our answer is what? 507 something. So again, now we'll multiply with 25 into 23. Then it is coming. See, 575 coming. Now see here, we have got 575. 5 here also, because a should come 5. Here a is coming 5. That means this multiplication is correct. So our assumption is what? A equal to 5 and b equal to 12. This is our correct assumption. So a equal to 0 is cancelled, b equal to 1 is cancelled, b equal to 3 is cancelled. So we have to take b equal to 2 and a equal to 5. Okay, so in this way this multiplication can be done. So it's looking very complicated, right? But if you practice it properly, if you practice more and more problems like this, then it will be easy for you. This is your first time you are getting this type of problems. That's why you are feeling complicated, right? I know this, but if you practice this type of question more and more, then it will be easy for you, no doubt. So only you have to apply your logic more. Okay, apply your brain more. You cannot learn these things. You have to apply your brain. Understood? So 16.1 exercise we will do in the next video. So try to see all these things whatever I have taught today. Okay, so in the next video we'll see 16.1 exercise where all these problems are given. Okay, thank you.